Today we are going to start with our second chapter. In that, the first grammar topic that we have is l'infinitive après un autre verbe. That means that infinitive after another verb. Some verbs are followed directly by another verb in the infinitive form, right? Some of the commonly used verbs which are followed by the infinitive are, now here we have the list of the verbs that are followed by an infinitive. Okay, now till now हमने अभी तक यही पढ़ा था that how do we conjugate a verb, okay, with which subject it is conjugated in which manner in French, and what types of verbs we have studied. Okay, we have studied about er verbs, ir verbs and re verbs and some irregular verbs. Okay, now we will see कि एक infinitive कैसे place होता है and what this topic is about. So basically this topic is about that just this is a conjugated verb, right? Now after a conjugated verb we can put an infinitive form of verb. This topic infinitive après un autre verbe means this कि हम एक conjugated verb के बाद एक infinitive form of verb मतलब एक unconjugated या non conjugated verb को लगा सकते हैं, उसका infinitive form ऐसे ही लगा सकते हैं. Okay, now we'll see the examples. Now these are the list of verbs, some list of verbs जिनके साथ हम infinitive form लगा सकते हैं. Okay, now savoir, je sais jouer au tennis. I know to play tennis. Aimer, il aime faire du ski. He loves to do skiing. Pouvoir, tu peux aller au cinéma. You can go to cinema. Falloir, il faut compléter le devoir. It is necessary to complete the homework. Vouloir, nous voulons regarder la télé. We want to see the TV. Préférer, elle préfère acheter la robe rouge. She prefers to buy red dress. Devoir, tu dois finir le devoir. You have to or you must finish the homework. Désirer, je désire aller en France. I desire to go to France. Aller, je vais manger. I am going to eat. Okay. Now we have understood कि ये conjugated verbs के साथ हम infinitive verb लगाते हैं. Now here are the meanings of the verbs जिनके साथ हम infinitive लगा रहे हैं. Savoir, to know. Aimer, to love. Pouvoir, to can. Falloir, to be necessary. Vouloir, to want. Préférer, to prefer. Devoir, to must. Désirer, to desire. Faire, to do. Aller, to go. Okay, now here this is a very important note. Now हमने follower verb पढ़ा जिसका मतलब होता है to be necessary. ठीक है, now to be necessary means something that is very necessary. So ये verb हम अपने ऊपर तो conjugate नहीं कर सकते, right? So here this note says that this is an impersonal verb and can be conjugated only in ill form. Okay, ill is the third person form, right? And impersonal verb means जो एक्शन हम अपने खुद के ऊपर नहीं कर सकते हैं वो होता है impersonal verb. ठीक है, मैं necessary नहीं हो सकती. I am necessary, you are necessary. No, we can't say like that. So ill का meaning होता है he and it. So with this verb the meaning of ill becomes it. उसका मतलब it बन जाता है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है अगर il faut plus verb that means it is necessary, like here we saw, right? In this one, il faut compléter le devoir means it is necessary to complete the work. So this verb can be conjugated only and only in the ill form. L form में भी नहीं हो सकती ये. Okay, now two more verbs are there. Those are impersonal. First is neiger, that means to snow. So we have used here il neige. Plavoir means to rain. So here it is il pleut. It rains. It snows. It rains. Okay. So be careful, and it's a very easy topic. It's not very difficult. You can do it.